Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In this video, I am doing a gorgeous resin bowl with some blue pressed flowers. Now, I'm doing actually a whole series on these, so I've already done gold and pink, and this is blue, and then I'm doing some purple and red, and then probably other colors after that as well. So this is a coaster mold. It's about 5 inches across, and I started off by putting maybe about a half an ounce of Mixed Media Girl Artist Resin in it, and then I'm placing my pressed flowers in the design that I want. These are just from Amazon, and you got to make sure that you are using flowers that are completely dry. If you buy them from Amazon, that's not an issue, but if you're drying your own, make sure that they are completely dry before you put them in the resin. And I put them in and then just space them out how I wanted. This mold is not filled at all. I let that cure, and then I took my larger, this is a 13-inch round mold, and I took a little bit of the Polycolor Crater Lake Blue and painted just the edges with this color. So the idea is to give it a pop of blue without it being completely blue. And it's just a regular paintbrush. I recommend using a synthetic one because it will shed a bit less. And I'm painting up the sides of the mold a bit as well. And kind of trying to feather it out so that it's not a stark line. For this mold, I use around 13 ounces of resin for a bowl. So because I used already about an ounce for my coaster mold that I'm putting in the middle here, I only mixed up about 12 ounces. I poured it in, again, Mixed Media Girl Artist Resin, and then I used my heat gun to remove any air bubbles, and then I placed the cured coaster in the middle. This does not have to be completely cured, it can be mostly cured, but you do want it to set so that those flowers don't move around. I also did mix a tiny bit of the polycolored diamond dust into my resin so I could add a little bit of sparkle. And then once I placed my flowers where I wanted in the middle, I poured a bit more resin over it. Again, only about 12 ounces total, 13 ounces including the resin that was used in the coaster mold. I let that sit for about 6 hours or so. That's going to depend on the temperature of your studio and the resin you're using. And then at the point where it is not sticky or tacky at all, I demolded it and I formed it into this 150-ounce bowl. I shaped it how I wanted, let that cure fully, and then came back and popped it out in a couple of days. And this is how it looks. So I do recommend leaving it in that plastic bowl for at least 3 days or it can flatten out. But otherwise, you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.